We're diving into a crucial diagnostic tool used in pathology, the HBME-1 test in immunohistochemistry. This test plays a vital role in differentiating between various cancers and is key in accurate diagnosis and treatment planning. Let's break down what you need to know. Pre-test information. Before the HBME-1 test is performed, there are a few important steps to ensure accuracy. You'll need to provide the following. Histopathology report. This document offers detailed information on the tissue sample and previous diagnostic findings. Site of biopsy. Clearly indicate the location where the biopsy was taken to ensure the test is correctly applied to the relevant tissue. Clinical history. A comprehensive overview of the patient's medical background, including any symptoms, previous diagnosis, or relevant health information. These details help the pathologist interpret the test results in the context of the patient's overall health. Specification of the test. The HBME-1 test uses a specific marker known as human bone marrow endothelium-1. This marker is essential for identifying mesothelial cells in tissue samples. Its main application is in differentiating between mesothelioma, a type of cancer that affects the lining of the lungs or abdomen. HBME-1 will show thick, continuous membranous staining in cases of mesothelioma. Adenocarcinoma, a common type of cancer that originates in glandular tissues. In contrast, adenocarcinoma will display thin, discontinuous staining with HBME-1. Additionally, HBME-1 is used alongside other markers like CK-19 and Galectin-3 to differentiate between papillary thyroid carcinoma and follicular carcinoma. Disease associated. The HBME-1 test is particularly useful for diagnosing and distinguishing between several types of cancers, including mesothelioma, often associated with asbestos exposure; adenocarcinoma, a broad category that includes various types of glandular cancers; papillary thyroid carcinoma versus follicular thyroid carcinoma, essential for accurate thyroid cancer diagnosis. Specimen used. The test requires a biopsy specimen of the affected tissue. This sample is typically collected through a surgical procedure or a needle biopsy, depending on the location and type of tissue being examined. Components included. During the HBME-1 test, several components are involved. HBME-1 antibody, the primary reagent used to detect mesothelial cells. Histological slides, prepared slides containing the tissue sample. Staining reagents, used to visualize the presence of HBME-1 in the tissue sample. Test report time. Once the test is completed, you can expect the results within approximately 7 days. This time frame allows for thorough analysis and accurate reporting by the pathologist.